Too busy to cook but still want to stay keto? You're in the right place. Here are 7 lazy keto meals you can make with zero cooking, zero stress, and all the flavor. Meal 1. Tuna-stuffed avocados. Slice an avocado in half, scoop in canned tuna, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a little lemon juice. Creamy, filling, and takes 60 seconds. Meal 2. Turkey and cheese roll-ups. Grab deli turkey slices, roll in a slice of cheddar or cream cheese, and dip in mustard. No mess, high protein, perfect on the go. Meal 3. Lazy snack plate, hard-boiled eggs, pickles, olives, and a cheese stick. It's basically a mini keto charcuterie board for lazy days. Meal 4. Greek yogurt and berries. Use full-fat Greek yogurt, a handful of raspberries or blackberries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Sweet tooth? Add a few drops of stevia. Meal 5. Deli lettuce wraps. Take romaine or iceberg lettuce, layer in ham, cheese, and mayo, then roll it up like a taco. Crunchy, satisfying, and totally no cook. Meal 6. Costco chicken salad cups. Scoop out chicken salad into lettuce boats or eat with a spoon. It's store-bought, quick, and keto-friendly. Meal 7. Keto snack plate. A handful of almonds, some salami, olives, and cheese cubes. A balanced, lazy meal with fats and protein. Keto doesn't have to be complicated. Comment your favorite lazy keto meal below and subscribe for more keto ideas, grocery hauls, and low-carb tips. Grab your 1-pound printable meal plan in the description below.